Hello, everyone, and welcome to this course on Copilot for Microsoft 365 applications. I am so excited to be hosting this course for you because over the last few years, I've become really passionate about teaching people how to work with AI, demystifying it, and taking away some of the fear. My name is Deborah Ashby. I'm a Microsoft MVP and course instructor, and I'm going to be working with you throughout the balance of this course. And really, this course is just designed to make working with AI a little bit easier, particularly inside those Microsoft applications that we all use every day, such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and OneNote. And my only real aim for you in this course is that by the time we get to the end, you'll have a greater understanding of the types of tasks that you can accomplish using AI, and also that you start to see these tools as a fantastic assistant that can help you with your daily workflow and not a replacement for you. I am so excited to start this course with you, so let's head over to the first lesson.